All right, currently we are working on the ESQs. They should be finalized by hopefully end of week. Actually, this time, what crazy? And yeah, that's the hope is they're done by end of week. And essay I think should be done pretty soon as well. And from then, we're just going to be working mostly on presentations, grilling ourselves on the Q&A, and it's so far it's going pretty well.
Hi, my name is Wishkar. I'm our design director, and right now I'm working on making sure our woodbot is getting integrated right. So over here, you can see a couple of our students are working on laser cutting on some of the final pieces. We're putting together our indexer and our shooter today, so hopefully that's going to get done today, and once that's done, we'll have our woodbot done. Also on the side, I'm working to make sure all of our teams integrate for our actual robot CAD. If you turn to see over there, a couple of our students are working on the drivetrain, intake, and hopper, so it's going pretty well. We're almost done with our version 1 robot, and hopefully we'll get it out soon.
Hello, my name is Miles. I'm currently working on learning more about HTML and Svelte for data science, and my goal right now is to create a functioning scouting app for the team.
And right now what we're working on is currently we're assembling the field, the hub. I'm actually, me and my fellow rookie Topanga, we're IP leads, so project leads, and right now we're wiring the entire field for field electronics. And my current dreams for right now is to go to champs, and also to become better at my crimps and become the #1 rookie.
Hi, I'm Mario, and me and Keenan here, we're working on the Tinkerbot. This is for our outreach hours, and we want to do this so we can help kids get a better understanding of what we do with robotics. And right now we are in the process of fixing it because we were testing it and the dimensions were a little off, so now we're going back, we're fixing it, and rinse and repeat.